Good day everyone. In today's video, Xiaomi just released Mix Fold 4 and Mix Flip. That will be the first look on their side. This is a Chinese side, so we have to translate it to in English. There you go. This is Google translation, so it won't be fantastic, but it is what it is. Full-size, multifunction, large external screen, 4 inches, and it's full size. It's not like in the Samsungs when they cut the edges. No, it's a full-size screen. It reminds me of a Motorola Razr 50, which is very similar. But this one, I think, has bigger cameras. Or maybe not. So we have camera, another camera, and a flash at the same ring, which is quite unusual, but that's what it is. Flagship screen, 1.5K Ultra Vision screen, 460 ppi density, 3000 nits, and 1600 nits for global brightness, because 3000 is a peak. If you're watching something in HDR, it's a very bright day, then yeah, it's plenty of brightness. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and it's not an S version, which is very important. So regular Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is very powerful, the most powerful Snapdragon in the world at the moment, and huge battery, 4780 milliampere hours. That is nice. Also fast charging, 67 watt. Impressive. Leica cameras, 50 megapixels, so it's, yeah, it is very high spec device. Like I said, for the girls, yeah, if they want selfies and stuff. Design, you can also buy it with such a design. All right, lightweight and compact. It feels in your pocket. Like I said, for all the girls, that's the Dimensity. And the total weight 192, which is very light. They have a purple version. All right, let me just purple, white, and black. Full depth macro curve screen, durable high design, up to 500,000 times. I think someone on YouTube will test that. If I think so. All right. So there you go. That's the Flip. What about Fold, which most people are more interested? All right, so what do we have? We do have a new hinge 2.0, which is 82% stronger than the previous one. All right. Carbon fiber, lightweight architecture. Third generation Snapdragon. That's the latest and the greatest, of course. 5100 milliampere hour battery, so it's less than the Vivo. Vivo has 5700. And also charging is less. Vivo has 100 watt charging and 50 wireless. This is 67 and 50 wireless. So advantage on the Vivo is present. All right. Design a flagship 220. It looks nice. Really nice. And it's very thin. Will fold just 4.5 millimeter. 4.6. Very thin. It looks round. All right. Curves. 4 new colors. So we do have blue, black, white, and carbon fiber. I'm not sure about the carbon fiber. I will go with the black. It's nice. Okay. Is it too big? Can we just like... Okay, it's something wrong. This is Google translation, so it won't be like perfect, if you know what I mean. Oh, we do have a periscope. That is a prop. Also with Vivo is available. So it's basically the same. A new hinge 2.0 with tons and tons of new features. And 500,000 bends. 3 colors, 100 carbon. We've already seen that. Highlights, power. Okay, that's the screen. 418 ppi, 3000 nits, 1700 global brightness, 12-bit color, 120 hertz. All right, HDR and everything. Yeah. Okay. And the inside one is basically the same, because that was the outside one, and that's the inside one. same screen. That's super cool. Reduce power consumption up to 52%. Stereo dual speakers. All right. Stunning images, Leica. And we do have an aperture of 2.9 for the telephoto. For the ultra wide, it's 2.2. It's not the brightest lenses, but we do have 1.7 and large aperture for the main camera. This is a 800 Shadowhunter 800. It's like medium range smartphone camera. It's not a flagship camera. Shadowhunter 800 sensor. It's not a flagship. All right. I don't want to be negative and stuff, but it is not. You can find it in the medium range smartphones. All right. You can see that's the camera. Focal length. Okay, it's all about the camera and stuff. I think we should continue to the Mi Band 9. Processor, greater cooling, 2 batteries. And those batteries. There you go. Charging. All right, let's continue to Mi Band. Mi Band 9. Wow, why did that stripe is so long? I think it's just for show. There you go. There you go. Take a look at the new highlights and get all kinds of Mi Bands with all kinds of colors. All right, they look basically the same. I think 21 days of the ultra long battery life. Damn, 21 days, that's a lot. And that's why I love Mi Bands. They are much better than watches because like the battery life, you don't have to charge your watch every day or every 2 days or every 6 days. 21, it's very high. Look at that presentation. There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice. All right. Cool design. AMOLED screen with 120 nits. 60 hertz, intelligent brightness, 1.6 AMOLED screen, so basically the same size. 15.8 grams. Cool designs. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy one. So review will coming soon. How soon? I don't know. It all depends of the availability. And oh yeah, so there you go. Dance with your friend, connections, experience the best. Okay, so they improved the battery life. Waterproof is up to 5 ATM. Yeah, you have to be a professional diver to go that low. All right. Do remember that this is a Google translation and it doesn't look that great. Range at delicate vibrations. All right, see? That's the inside. Weather and stuff. We do have typical mode. Add mode is 9 days and reload mode is 6 days. Health, dual activity, heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep monitoring, pressure monitoring, woman, menstruation cycle. Okay, we already have that. 150 sport modes. God damn. Just dance, music control, alarm timer, stopwatch, flashlight, weather, world clock, all kinds of stuff. Can we have a look on the buds? There you go. I don't like the design. I prefer the Galaxy Buds design, the old ones. It's easier to control. With the hinge, I'm not sure how to call it in English. It's not that great to control it. And they look nice. Oh, with Harman Kardon. All right. High-res audio. IP54, dust and water resistance. They look really nice. 360 surround sound. Okay. Titanium. Moonlight Shadow Black. Snowy White. And Frost Blue. But such a design will give me a fatigue. This is plastic, hard plastic, which will go into your ear canal. Most of the design like that will give me a fatigue, but that's just me. Everyone is different. Wow. High-res audio, 24-bit, 48 kilohertz. Harman audio. All right. Do remember that just as first look, I see the site first time with you, so yeah, I'm surprised like you. All right, this video is a little bit boring already, so that's all I have. If you want to buy yourself a greater smartphone, which means better camera, bigger battery, faster charging, X Pro, link in the description for you. There's also a regular version, even cheaper, and also a discount code, 200 euros less, an additional discount code for the basically free shipping, an additional discount code for half a price charger, latest and greatest wireless charger. Those codes are combining each other, so great. See you next video. Bye.